Welcome to Luna. In this video, we'll explore how to customize the collection. In the Collection Manager, locate the Collections tab. Here on the left, you'll be presented with a list of collections to select from, or you could choose to create a new collection. Whether you're editing an existing collection or you're creating a new one, the steps are basically the same. So let's start from scratch with a new collection. Enter the name of your collection, add a description, and then select a template to base your data schema on. When selecting a data template, you could choose from Dublin Core or Simple Labels, both of which come bundled with Luna. Or you can even create your own customized template. At the very minimum, though, your collection must have a name and a template selected in order for the collection to be saved and displayed on the left-hand side. Select Edit if at any time you want to come back and make adjustments to your collection schema. Now let's customize the look of your collection in the Luna Viewer. Header graphics allow you to brand your collection, and you can upload or select one from here. You can also select one of two available themes in the Luna Viewer. Next, let's determine what fields will be used to quickly expose certain descriptive information to your audience when they're browsing through the media items in your collection. So first, designate a field to represent the title for all media items displayed in your collection. Next, select up to 4 fields to display as thumbnail labels. Select up to 4 fields as the sort order. And select up to 4 fields to display in the media summary box. Then, go on and drag and drop fields to map them to the who, what, where, and when categories for faceted browsing. There are also a couple of options that allow for sharing your collection beyond just the Luna Viewer. If exposing your collection to other repositories is important, use the OAI PMH settings here. If you're interested in selling reproductions of your content, you could set up an e-commerce integration as well. Finally, choose the types of metadata available for display and searching. Check the boxes to display custom fields, EXIF, IPTC, or XMP metadata in the Luna Viewer's data panel. Check the boxes here to allow for EXIF, IPTC, or XMP metadata to be searchable within Luna. And now that you've customized your collection's property settings, be sure to save them. Now let's look at a collection in the Luna Viewer to see where the various collection properties appear. The main page is where you'll find the collection title and the collection description. The header graphic will display throughout the viewer at the top of each page, and as you can see, the theme, which in this case is the default brown and black theme, has also been applied throughout. Here on the thumbnail page, you can see the thumbnail field selections. Mouse over a thumbnail image to expose the summary field selections. The sort order is based on the fields we selected in the Collection Manager. So by clicking the sort icon, your users can see how the thumbnails are sorted, and they also have the option to change the sort order during their session. Don't worry though, changing the sort order won't override the settings you saved in the Collection Manager. Now, remember the fields we mapped to the who, what, where, when categories? To the left is how they display as facets, allowing the user to narrow down their search results. Additionally, you'll find the same values displayed by going to the Browse Categories page, offering your audience an alternative way to browse through the content in your collection. Finally, when you open up a thumbnail in the Detail view, you'll see that the descriptive data displays in the panel to the left. If you selected any of the technical metadata fields to display in the viewer, this is where you can find it. And if you check the boxes to make that data searchable, the Simple Search and Advanced Search will allow you to perform searches for that metadata. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials to learn more about the many features of Luna.